Hello again. So this is where I left last time. Last time we made this tactics navigation component, and I actually don't like what it is at the moment because see, if you click A, it kind of like there's a lag. I don't know why, but it kind of takes one step and it waits a while to keep going. So I don't know why. And at the same time, I think it's just too clicky the way it looks. So I'm just gonna use the velocity based movement, which is what the default movement is based on in A-frame, but I wasn't really gonna use it, but I think I'm just gonna have to because it's kind of laggy. So last time I tried it with the on key down event, and it didn't really work at the moment. That's why I kind of started using this keyboard control component. But I found that I don't actually need these keyboard controls. What I did wrong was to attach the add event listener to a wrong thing. So I'm just going to improve it now. So delete it. I just needed to attach the add event listener on key down on the window object. On key down. See, that's what I should have done. And then this on key down. That's what I just needed to do. And if I on key down, it's a function that takes event. And I'm just going to do this. So what it does is, okay, so let's refresh. So it still listens to the key down event, but it listens to the key down event that happens at the window level. And it's not really happening. Why is that? Key down is the name of the event. Okay, I see what it is. And refresh. Okay, so D on key down is not a function. Typos everywhere. D shift and keyboard event. Okay, so E code switch E code case KD. So this is what I needed to do. So D is X plus, right? D is X plus. Case. Should I break it? Yeah. On key A, X minus. Yeah. Copilot. Case key W. Yeah. And case key S, WS, yes. And that's it. Oh, no. So what I was trying to do is to set the velocity instead of move it. So this velocity x is speed. Speed minus 1. this is what I was trying to do. Okay, so this velocity z equals to speed times minus 1. So yes, so instead of moving it, I'm just setting the velocity every time the keyboard is hit. S is this velocity z equals to speed, right? And so on and so on. Okay, so I wonder if the velocity y, exactly. Copilot key E is velocity negative. Okay, yes, this is it. So this velocity x, x, y, y, z, right? And initially, this velocity x is 0. This y 0. This right. So this is what I do. And on tick, rig is rig defined. No, okay. This rig, x is velocity x. Exactly. And so on and so on. X, y, this, z. And so where's my speed? Let's speed. Okay, see. This doesn't really speed. That deceleration. Is deceleration a thing? Deceleration factor. 0.5. I don't know if there's a word called deceleration. Let's ask. Is deceleration a word? Decelerate. Reduce the cost of reduce. Okay, to reduce. Right, so okay, so this velocity deceleration factor. This Copilot is so good. This velocity z. Okay, so if so minimum speed, minimum velocity is 0.01. All right, that's good. And if this, so he knows what I'm trying to do. Velocity x is minimum velocity, and this velocity is minimum velocity. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, so this, I see what you mean. And this velocity, minimum velocity times minus 1, negative 1. Oh. Yeah, he's doing it right. Wow, he's genius. See, I mean, the programming these days is just all about knowing what you want, and if you know what you want, the AI would give you what you want. Right, so if it's smaller than the threshold, it just becomes 0. So I think this is it. I think this should work. Let's see how it goes. So if I hit D, whoa, oh, whoa. it's still the same thing. It's still doing the same thing, but it's kind of got smoother. So let's see the factor 1.9. The speed is actually 0.5. So I guess, all right. See, okay, so it's smoother, and I think it's actually better this way. So if I keep hitting, it it kind of moves a little in the first step, and then I like it. Let's see, decoration.